From last week, I shared about formatting the date so that we can do the sorting. Okay. So this week, I will share about how can we do the sorting and filtering on this data. Okay. So first, you want to make sure all the column you want to filter is actually have this drop down arrow. This means that your data is ready for sorting. Okay. But if you have something like this one, you have additional column and you do not see this drop down arrow, so you need to make sure that you do the filtering again. So you select all by Control A, then you go to this one, you go select this filter. You click again to unfilter all, then you click again filter. Then you will see all the column you have this. Another way is you convert everything into the table. Okay. But before that, I will just show you how can we do the sorting with this custom sort. Okay. So what is this custom sort? So one thing good about this custom sort is that you can have under this option sort left to right. Okay, but now our data already is sorting by top, so I'll just cancel to show you how this is possible. Okay, so now if you go to this custom sort, and then you can see under option, you can select sort left to right. Okay, but after you select this, you need to notice that this it will not be able to check because no matter how you arrange your label, how you label your data, whether you have the header for horizontal sorting, you will not able to check this. Okay, but other you can still add a label or delete the label. Okay. So this may not be so useful for your data if it is arranged in row column. Okay. So come back to this column sorting. So we actually sort by row. Okay. Then we go to filter, and we still can go to this sorting. Okay. So you can see here we can add a few labels. So what it this mean? Okay. So normally we'll do sorting or filtering like this. For example, we want the January, then we can go to here, we select the January. And under this plus sign, if you click, then you can select if you have different days. Okay. But this one, because we only have the 1st of January, so we only have one. But if you have a second day or third, then you have you can check different. Okay. Alright, now we have January. But if you want only this process or only for packing, then you check on packing. So this is two level. This is what you will see under this custom sort. So when you add two level, you actually have two filtering here. Okay. So if you want to clear all the filter, then we just click clear filter. So clear filter, you will just clear your filtering, but all your data will still under this filtering. You still can see this drop down. Okay. Okay, so what is this custom sort? Okay, so now just now I just sorting my data by sorting this no number by smallest to largest. Okay, so now if I want to filter this sum, then what can I do is that I go to custom sort, then I select this one, sum largest, smallest to largest. Then I add another level by sorting this hub from A to Z. Okay, you select you can select Z to A or the custom list. So this is the custom list. You can add another custom list. It depends on you. I'm not going to use this one. Then okay. So what this means is that first it will sorted by this sum smallest to largest. Then it will sorting by this hub again. Okay. So normally you can just do from here. You sorting this smallest to largest, then you click OK, and you filter again this one from A to Z. Okay. So if you don't want this, or you can add another level. Okay. So for example, I add another level in between, means I sorting by sum, then I sorting by this process. and then I sort again by hub. Okay. So whatever you have put here, you can see this one arrow up means it's sorting. Okay. But normally what I will use is that I will use this filtering. Okay, so for filtering, you can just select from here you don't want all. Then if you have a long list, for example like this one, you have a date. So if you want only the February, then you can take February. If you want February and March, then you can select two. Okay. So you will select only what you want. This is a filtering. So just now we have this sorting. So sorting you can see is by the arrow. So if you're sorting by largest to smaller, then your arrow will be going down. Okay. Now we create a filter. Right. Then one thing you can select is by this text also. So from here you can select like this formula. So you can go to this custom, then you can type what you want. For example, I want the April. Okay, equal to April and equal I want the March. Okay, so if it is not possible because if 2 is a sin, okay, then you can select it all. Have this text filter, you can select equal to, or you can have this custom filter. Right. So if you don't want anything except April, then you can doesn't equal April. So for this one, you can just remove. So this one will give you anything other than the April. So it seems it's similar like this one. You select everything, then you uncheck. Okay. So this is the same. Alright. So if you have a number, then you can have a numbering. So you want to equal, for number, this will be the useful. So you can select the greater than or the less. Then you can also select the top 10. Okay, so if I click top 10, then you can from here you can have how many you want. Okay, we select the top 10. Okay, so this will give you a top 10 of this highest number of item A. So after you filter this top 10, maybe you will realize you do not have the 10s. Okay, so you need to pay attention that you already have this filter on the month. So if you clear the filter for the month, then it will include also this April. But if you don't want, you can definitely exclude this April. Okay, from here you can sorting smallest to largest on this top 10. Okay. So again, if you don't want anything, then you can just go to clear filter. Another way we can do this sorting and filtering is converting everything into the table. So we use Control A, then Control T, and check. Make sure this is checked because if we have this hidden, then okay. So if you want to learn more about the table, you can go to my previous video. I will put the link top right corner. Okay, so now we have everything in table. So under this table, you have this design the filter button. Okay, so now similarly, you can do this sorting. You want the top 10 or top 5. Okay, then you can do the sorting if you want. It's from the smallest to largest. It's already sorting. Then if you want the sorting by date, then you can sort. Okay. So from here you still can go to this editing. Then under here you can have this custom sort. So just now we have a sorting by date, and this is our last sorting. So if you add another label, for example, another label by hub, then from here you can see this arrow. So you can move up, means you first sort by hub, then sorting by date. So if you add another label, then you can move this around and select what you want. Okay. So this one, we clear this filter for item A. So this will filter according to our customs. This will do the sorting according to our custom sort. Okay. So this is some some feature we can use. So this is something we can use with this sort and filter. Another way we can do the sorting is under this slicer. You go to insert, then you will see this slicer. So what is this slicer mean? So it will based on the table, then you can select this by a few things. So we want the process, then we want the month. Okay. So you can see just now I checked 2 items, so I now have 2 slicer. If I click on inspection, then it will show me only the row relating to this inspection. If I click packing, then it will go to packing only. If I select match, means this is sorting packing and match at the same time. Okay. So if I found a few items, then I can use the control to select. So if you don't want, then you can use this fill filter. Okay. So if you check this, means this is multi-select. If you click, then it will select. If you uncheck this one, you can only select one at a time. If you click this, means you can select a few. So whatever you click, it will be selecting. If you click again, it will be unselect. Okay. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. You can also sign up for my course. I share the link below, and you can also follow me on my LinkedIn. Thank you.